Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable IP address sharing through Steam networking in the Steam app. This feature controls whether Steam can share your IP address with other players for direct connections, which can improve connection quality in multiplayer games. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration window where you can customize all sorts of features and preferences. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories for managing your Steam experience. Click on In-Game from this list. This section specifically handles settings related to your gameplay experience, including overlay features, screenshots, and networking options. It's where Steam groups all the features that affect how games run and connect on your system. Now scroll down through the in-game settings until you locate the Steam networking section. This might be positioned lower on the page, so take a moment to find it. This particular setting is crucial because it determines how Steam handles direct connections between players during multiplayer sessions, which can significantly impact your gaming experience and connection quality. Right beside Steam networking, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal your available options. You'll see 4 different choices: Default, Never, Friends Only, and Always. Each of these options gives you different levels of control over IP address sharing, so choosing the right one depends on your preferences for privacy versus connection quality. If you want to fully enable IP sharing and allow Steam to share your IP address with any player for the best possible direct connections, select Always. This option prioritizes connection quality and can reduce lag in multiplayer games by allowing direct peer-to-peer connections. If you prefer a balanced approach and want Steam to automatically decide when sharing your IP is appropriate, select Default. This is generally the best choice for most users as it gives Steam the flexibility to optimize connections while still maintaining reasonable privacy controls. If you want to completely disable IP address sharing and prevent Steam from sharing your IP with anyone, select Never. This option prioritizes your privacy by ensuring no direct connections are made, though it may result in slightly higher latency in some games since all connections will be routed through Steam's servers. And lastly, if you only want your Steam friends to be able to connect directly to you while blocking everyone else, select Friends Only. This gives you a middle ground between privacy and connection quality, allowing trusted connections while protecting your IP from unknown players. So you've now configured your Steam networking IP sharing preferences according to your needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.